All right, we've already climbed about 800 feet, still going. We'll see you guys at the top. We got Cliff on the Clash. We got Emma on the Canyon Neuron. We got Vinny on the Next Genesis. And then we got Dylon on the China Bay e-bike.
Y'all ride Amish bikes.
That's
on
the
cop bike.
Yeah, exactly.
Wish special.
Yeah, yeah. All right, we're doing Rhodo Ruckus for the first time. Oh God. Wow, okay. I'm terrified. Oh my God. Oh, that was crazy. Oh yeah, I have the potential to get really hurt today. Oh my God. All right, oh my God. Oh, I'm so tense. This is just freaking scary, dude. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh no. I'm so underprepared. This is so nutty. Oh my God, I'm glad my brakes seem to be okay. Oh my Lord, have Jesus help me. Oh my God. Yeah! Oh my God. Hold on, y'all. Wait a minute. Cause like, I don't know. I can't tell yet. All right, I'm getting towed up the hill by a non-e-bike. Somebody with e-bike legs. All right, taking the easy line with Emma. All right, she's my hero. So this is, I think I heard him say Evergreen. She's already pretty fast. Reminds me of like Blue Dream. Some berms. A little air there. Oh yeah, you get a little air on those. Oh yeah. Woo! Yeah. That's sick. That was sick. All right. Okay, we're into the e-bike. Try to keep up with these guys.
Hey, you guys, you want to fly to the top?
Let's do it, man. Lead the way. Show me how it's done. Yeah, it's pretty goofy, I have to say. All right, here we go.
I'll call out.
You do that. I'll go around. No, just kidding. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Keep your wits about you, Jake. Whoa. Oh my God, I hope this camera's on. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this thing's so different.
Whoa! Up top!
Hey!
How much does that pass cost?
Jump on.
He said hop on.
He sure did.
He's from Florida.
Own the place.
Huh?
You gotta own the place.
Oh, does he own it?
That's one of them.
All right, riding Tortuga again. I'm gonna try to get to some of this stuff. Oh my gosh, this one right here is the one. Oh, all right, let's not die. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so scary. Oh my gosh, these berms, oh Lord, they're so scary. Oh. All right, squash this one. I'm so bad at this. I have no idea what I'm doing. Yep, I have no idea what I'm doing. That's probably not a good idea. Awesome. That was amazing riding with you guys.
Yeah.
Thanks
for coming out.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh yeah.
You look like you've hardly worked up a sweat.
All right. Oh,
Anytime. I'm actually working tomorrow.
Shred-tastic.